Imagine a world where AI predicts the next pandemic before it even begins. Can we trust it? Just as meteorologists use sophisticated models and data to forecast storms and hurricanes, scientists are now developing similar tools to foresee viral outbreaks. This could transform how we prepare for and respond to health crises. What if we could anticipate the emergence of deadly viruses before they wreak havoc? Picture a global network of sensors and data points, constantly monitoring for signs of new pathogens. By analyzing patterns and anomalies, we could identify potential threats early and take action to prevent widespread transmission. This isn't science fiction, it's the promise of artificial intelligence. AI can process vast amounts of data at incredible speeds, identifying trends and making predictions that would be impossible for humans alone. From tracking the spread of diseases to predicting their impact, AI offers a powerful tool in our fight against pandemics. AI has the potential to revolutionize our approach to global health security, ushering in a new age of prevention. Imagine a world where healthcare systems are not just reactive but proactive, using AI to stay one step ahead of potential threats. This could mean fewer lives lost, less economic disruption, and a more resilient global community. But the question remains, can we learn to trust these powerful tools when the stakes are highest? Trust in AI will be crucial, as will the transparency and accuracy of the data it relies on. As we move forward, collaboration between scientists, policymakers, and the public will be essential to harness the full potential of AI in preventing future pandemics. The COVID-19 pandemic served as a stark reminder of our vulnerability to infectious diseases. But what many don't realize is that the warning signs were there. Algorithms flagged unusual respiratory illness trends weeks before the World Health Organization declared a public health emergency. These early warnings, however, went largely unheeded, highlighting a critical gap in our pandemic preparedness, our ability to act decisively on data-driven insights. Today, sophisticated AI systems are constantly scanning the globe for signs of emerging health threats. They analyze a vast sea of data, from news reports and social media feeds to clinical records and environmental sensors. These digital sentinels are on the lookout for anomalies, patterns, and subtle shifts that could signal the next disease X, the unknown pathogen with pandemic potential. Predicting the emergence of a new virus is only half the battle. AI can also help us understand the potential severity of a threat and how it might spread. By analyzing factors like a virus's genetic makeup, transmission routes, and a population's susceptibility, AI models can provide crucial insights for public health officials. This information is essential for developing effective containment strategies and allocating resources where they're needed most. The power of prediction AI's role in pandemic preparedness. The ability to anticipate and prepare for pandemics is our greatest weapon against these global threats. In the past, humanity has often been caught off guard by sudden outbreaks, leading to widespread panic and significant loss of life. However, with the advent of advanced technologies, particularly artificial intelligence, we now have the tools to foresee potential pandemics and take preemptive measures. AI empowers us to move from a reactive to a proactive approach, allowing us to allocate resources, develop vaccines and therapeutics, and implement containment strategies more effectively. By analyzing vast amounts of data from various sources, AI can identify patterns and predict outbreaks before they become unmanageable, and educate the public before a crisis hits. Public awareness and education are crucial components in managing pandemics. AI-driven platforms can disseminate accurate information quickly, helping to curb misinformation and ensure that communities are well informed about the necessary precautions and steps to take. Early warning systems powered by AI give us the precious gift of time. Time to prepare our healthcare systems, stockpile essential supplies, and train medical personnel. These systems can monitor real-time health data, detect anomalies, and alert authorities to potential threats, enabling swift action to mitigate the impact. Time to prepare our healthcare systems, ensuring that hospitals and clinics are equipped to handle a surge in patients. This includes setting up isolation wards, ensuring the availability of ventilators and other critical equipment, and establishing protocols for patient care and safety. Time to develop effective countermeasures such as vaccines and antiviral drugs. AI accelerates the research and development process by identifying potential candidates for treatment and predicting their efficacy, thus speeding up the time it takes to bring these solutions to market, and time to educate the public. Continuous education and communication are vital in ensuring that the public remains vigilant and prepared. AI can facilitate ongoing training programs for healthcare workers and public health officials, as well as create interactive platforms for the general public to stay informed and engaged. The potential of artificial intelligence in pandemic preparedness is undeniable, but it also raises profound questions about trust and human judgment. Can we learn to trust the predictions of machines, even when they challenge our assumptions or contradict conventional wisdom? Overcoming this trust barrier is essential if we want to harness the full potential of AI in global health security. AI's role in pandemic response extends far beyond prediction. During a health crisis, AI can be used to track the spread of a virus in real time, identify those most at risk, and even assist with drug discovery and development. From optimizing hospital logistics to powering contact tracing apps, AI has the potential to transform every aspect of pandemic response, making us more agile, adaptable, and resilient in the face of these global threats. While AI offers powerful tools for pandemic preparedness and response, it's crucial to remember that technology is only part of the solution. Human judgment, ethical considerations, and effective communication remain paramount. We need to bridge the gap between data and action, ensuring that AI insights are translated into timely and effective public health interventions. The COVID-19 pandemic exposed the fragility of our global interconnectedness. It showed us how quickly a virus could spread across borders, affecting every corner of the globe. The images of empty streets, people wearing masks, and deserted airports became symbols of a world brought to its knees by an invisible enemy. The pandemic also highlighted the devastating consequences of inaction. Hospitals were overwhelmed, testing centers saw long lines, and emergency medical tents became a common sight. The strain on healthcare systems was unprecedented, and the human cost was immeasurable. As we look to the future, embracing AI as a critical tool for pandemic preparedness and response is no longer a choice but a necessity. AI technology in healthcare has the potential to revolutionize how we detect, respond to, and manage pandemics. Scientists are already using AI to analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and predict outbreaks before they happen. The question is not whether we can trust AI, but whether we can afford not to. AI can assist doctors in diagnosing diseases more accurately, help researchers develop vaccines faster, and enable public health officials to make informed decisions. The thoughtful doctor, the AI robot interacting with humans, and the boardroom discussions all point to a future where AI is an integral part of our healthcare system. In times of crisis, urgent doctor consultations, emergency meetings, and healthcare workers in action become the norm. AI can provide real-time data and predictive models that are crucial for making swift and effective decisions. The ability to analyze and act on data quickly can mean the difference between containment and catastrophe. Will we heed the warnings of these intelligent systems and take decisive action to protect ourselves from the next pandemic? AI alert systems can provide early warnings, giving us a head start in our response efforts. Scientists analyzing data and predictive models on computer screens are not just images of the future, they are the tools we need today to safeguard our health. Community vaccination drives, medical research teams collaborating, and healthcare workers preparing vaccines are all part of a coordinated effort to combat pandemics. AI can enhance these efforts by optimizing vaccine distribution, improving supply chain management, and ensuring that resources are allocated where they are needed most. The answer may very well determine the future of global health security. A healthy planet, diverse groups of people celebrating, and global health initiatives are the ultimate goals. By embracing AI, we can work towards a future where pandemics are not a threat, but a challenge we are well equipped to handle. The future of global health security depends on our willingness to integrate AI into our strategies and take proactive measures to protect our world. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. Thanks for watching.